Imagine a world where everyone enjoys the privilege of freedom. Astonishingly, only 3% of the global population lives in countries deemed completely free. Today, we embark on a journey to the top 10 freest countries in the world. Buckle up, it's going to be an enlightening ride. Our countdown begins with the 10th freest country, Uruguay. This South American gem, with its robust political rights and civil liberties, sets a high bar. Its commitment to economic freedom and personal freedom shines bright, like the sun over its famous Montevideo skyline. Next, we head across the Atlantic to the Netherlands. Sitting at number 9, the Dutch nation prides itself on its progressive social policies and commitment to human rights. The windmills aren't the only things turning freely in this country. 8 brings us to Canada, a country known for its diversity and respect for individual freedoms. Its Charter of Rights and Freedoms ensures every citizen enjoys the right to live their life without undue interference. The lucky number 7 is Australia, a land of vast landscapes and diverse cultures. Its commitment to freedom, both economic and personal, is as vast as its outback. We remain in the Pacific for number 6, New Zealand. With an emphasis on human rights and political freedom, it's no wonder the Kiwis are flying high on our list. At the halfway mark, we find Ireland. Its rich history is a testament to its resilience and commitment to freedom. The Emerald Isle shines bright in the area of civil liberties. Number 4 takes us to Scandinavia, to the fjords of Norway. Renowned for its social equality and respect for human rights, Norway sets a shining example of freedom. Sweden, our number 3, keeps us in Scandinavia. With its commitment to social justice and equality, Sweden is a beacon of freedom, shining even during its darkest winter days. At number 2, we find the land of the midnight sun, Finland. Its dedication to press freedom and civil liberties is truly impressive, making it one of the world's freest countries. And finally, occupying the coveted top spot, we have Denmark. With its robust commitment to political and personal freedoms, Denmark stands as a beacon of liberty, illuminating the path for nations worldwide. That concludes our journey to the top 10 freest countries in the world. Each country, with its unique strengths and commitment to freedom, serves as a reminder of the importance of liberty in our lives. Now, if this journey enlightened you, consider subscribing for more insightful journeys and explorations. Remember, knowledge expands horizons, so stay curious and keep exploring.